Hello everyone. Today's Rudiment Wednesday topic is the double paradiddle. I'm going to explain what it is, how it relates to the single paradiddle, and an easy way for beginners to start learning it. And you'll want to stick around until the end for a bonus section on accenting the double paradiddle. So, let's get into it. Okay, what is the double paradiddle? And no, it's not two single paradiddles played back to back. What it is the single paradiddle, right, left, right, left, left, with an added set of singles on both sides. Right, left, right, left, right, left, left. Let's break it down on the pad. First off, let me demonstrate the main part of this rudiment, the paradiddle. If you haven't seen my video on the paradiddle, I suggest you check it out after this one. I'll put a link at the end of this video for you. But for now, here's a brief explanation. The paradiddle is a combination of singles and doubles. Singles, right, left, followed by one double, right. Then switch to the left side. Singles, left, right, followed again by one double, left. Put them together and you get the following. Right, left, left, left. Notice also that I'm accenting the first note of each side of the paradiddle. Keep that in mind. Next, all we have to do is add one more set of singles to the beginning of each side. Two sets of singles, right, left, followed by one double, right. Do the same thing on the left side. Start with the two sets of left-handed singles, left, right, and finish with the left-handed double, left. Let's put all this together. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. Right, left, right, left. Now, for all you beginners out there, I think there's an easier way to count through this other than saying a whole lot of rights and lefts. Just say the name of the rudiment, double paradiddle, and play along to what you're saying. Double para are your singles. Double para, and diddle is your double. Diddle. Then do the exact same thing for your left side. Double para, diddle. Put all together. Double paradiddle, double paradiddle, double paradiddle, double paradiddle. Okay, if you're getting some benefit out of this video, I'd appreciate it if you take a second and hit that like button. It's true. It really does help get videos like this in front of more people, and it would really help me out. Now, on to the bonus section. As you've noticed, I've been accenting the beginning of each side of the double paradiddle. That's the age-old way of learning and playing it. If you look at the PAS poster of the 40 International Drum Rudiments, the accent falls at the beginning. However, you can feel free to put an accent anywhere in the rudiment or nowhere at all. Here are a couple of examples. So there you have it, the double paradiddle. If you like what I'm doing on my channel, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Also, check out my single paradiddle video and whatever video YouTube wants you to see from me right here. And until the next time, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.